Hello and welcome. This is a drink called How to Make Iced Carbonated Tim's French Vanilla Cappuccino Blueberry Pomegranate. First thing you gotta do is you put the ice cubes into this mug from this mini metal bowl. Then after that, you get the mix of the French vanilla cappuccino, and then you pour in the water. Then after that, you pour in the carbonated water of blueberry pomegranate from this can into this mug. And there you go, folks. Here is your iced carbonated Tim's French vanilla cappuccino blueberry pomegranate. Enjoy, folks, and thank you for watching.